wherein a barn has been affected, the Sluice Gate. As a result, not only the Ucassaim farmers, even the Moira farmers are affected. We can see from the main road that the water is entering into the agriculture land fields, which were normally being used for cultivation for rabi crops. Yeah.
That starts from Ucassaim
Yeah.
and comes up to Tin Manus in Moira. Few days back, along with the WRD officials, I did conduct an inspection. And we have realized that there's a lot of weed growing into the water. So I have already made a proposal to the Honorable Minister for WRD for de-weeding, and he has told me I will make sure that it is de-weeded immediately, because the first thing is to remove those weeds. The weeds are getting into the sluice gates and they are blocking the sluice gates or pulling them, and then the planks are coming off or getting locked. So this was the first part, and the farmers also told me that this is the problem. Secondly, as far as repair the sluice gate I had asked, then the Farmers Association told me we have the money, we have the planks, and in fact they sent me some photographs saying that some work has been done. But we need to arrest further deterioration of the sluice gate, because sluice gate means I'm talking of the planks. But if we get that work done, because it's a huge area, and therefore you know how it is. If the valuation goes up, the level of scrutiny and the level of passing goes up. And when it goes up, it goes through all the channels of the finance department and everything. So we are split that so as to have two works, as to bring it within the level and scope of people where it doesn't go up to that level. And Minister agreed with me, yes, this is emergency and we need to do it. I can assure you that we will start the work, because you require an amphibious machine, which they will bring, and they assured me. So that is also on track. You can take my word, we will get that done. I will inform you. I've only not put up the photos and videos, but I will put it up of our inspection last time which we had done.